Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Laura Washington and I am passionate helping millennials age gracefully from the inside out with pure and safe solutions to increase their confidence and live their best healthy life. If you love learning about skincare and health and wellness tips from the inside out, then hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on that bell to get notified for each weekly video that goes up. So before we get into our topic for today, I just want to remind you that the next couple of weeks I'm going to be diving into parts of our wellness nutrition program that can help your gut and your skin. Alright, let's get straight into our topic today. Today we're going to be talking about one way to get a better gut health. That is prebiotics and probiotics. Did you know your gut affects your brain? That is just so crazy. I've never even thought about that. Well, here's a quote that I borrowed from Google. Google states, the use of prebiotics and probiotics together is called microbiome therapy. You don't need to take a prebiotic for probiotics to work, but taking them together might make your probiotic more effective. So I like to consider them as like a nutritional booster, just a way to boost that nutrition that you're going to be putting in your body throughout the day. Now prebiotics, they're the missing link to your gut health. They're non-digestible fiber compounds. They fuel your gut health and they feed that bacteria that's in your gut. The benefits of prebiotics are it improves immune functions, cardiovascular health, weight loss, stronger bones. It reduces inflammation and the symptoms of inflammation, and it can just put you in a happier mood. There's a quote saying your gut is your second brain. That is crazy. I've never even thought about that. How is your gut your second brain? But it makes totally sense after doing some of the research. I'm like, okay, I get it. It affects how we feel. Our gut will affect how we feel, and that makes sense. So here are some ways to get prebiotics into your body. So some of these I've never heard of, and there's a list of foods that you can eat, but I know I'm kind of picky about some foods, so I probably will not be doing this because I just don't like a lot of foods. But like gum acacia, I think that's how you say it, I'm not 100% sure. And like chicory root. Who has heard of chicory root? I've never heard of chicory root, and that just doesn't sound good to eat as a root. But the one way I like to get my prebiotics and my probiotics into my system is with the Digestion Plus. And the quickest way to do this is you just take 4 ounces of water and just put it in here. It could be cold or room temperature. And you just break open one of the Digestion Plus, tear it open, pour it into your water. It does not have to be, super cold. It's better if it's not hot, and you just mix it together. So you just mix it until it gets to the consistency that you need, which will be like water. Now, it doesn't look that pretty, but it tastes pretty good, and I know that it's working for my gut, so I know it's going to help me. I have a quote from Dr. Sam Robbins. He says, prebiotics help feed the probiotics and healthy bacteria in your gut. That, I love how he says that they just work together, like the prebiotics feed the probiotics. And so those healthy bacteria in that gut, I just love that simple, clear-cut quote from him. Now, probiotics, they are live bacteria in your gut. More good bacteria than bad bacteria. And the good living bacteria is more than 100 trillion. Yes, I said trillion. 100 trillion living bacteria in your gut. That is just crazy that we have that much bacteria in our gut. And then out of that, there's like 1,000 different species of bacteria. and 7,000 to 36,000 different strands of bacteria. Like, to me, that's too many bacteria in our gut, but we know they're good for us, but it's just crazy. I've never seen actual numbers, and so the fact to see the numbers, like 100 trillion bacteria and stuff, that's just mind-blowing that it's that many that's in our body. So when your biome is upset or it gets imbalanced between the good and bad bacteria, this is when autoimmune disease can start happening, such as irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, or multiple sclerosis. Of course, make sure you talk to your doctor and see if this is something that you can add to help with those diseases. Now, your gut, which is your small and your large intestines, they get energy from your food. We know that, right? We've known that our whole life. Yes, we get energy from our food. We also get nutrition and water that gets absorbed into our body. That is awesome. And then we know our gut actually extracts that waste. It gets it out of our body. We don't need that waste. And it makes vitamins. Isn't that crazy that our gut makes vitamins for us? Like, I know I do supplements for those vitamins, but then our gut is actually making vitamins as well. And to me, it's just, I love how smart and educated our body is with us not even knowing it. Your gut microbiomes is super important to your health. That's just what, like, your gut feeds off of. Did you know your bacteria in your gut can control your emotions? Isn't that crazy? I'm just blown away about this, because I just never put two and two together that, your emotions can be from your gut as well. And so that's just like mind-blowing for me. And I think I already talked about the word hangry, but like, that totally makes sense. Hangry, you're hungry, but you're angry because you're hungry. So that's just your emotions playing because of your gut. That's just crazy. So here are some things that you do need to do to help promote great health for your gut. You need to be eating real food. I know that's a no-brainer, but with our society today, just processed food, fast food, it's just so quick and easy. But I mean, take that time to eat that real food. Healthy fats like avocados and nuts, those are very important for a healthy gut. Make sure you're eating good protein and exercising. Your body, your gut, not just so much your body, but your gut actually feeds off of exercising, and it helps get those good bacteria working properly. Now, the things that you need to like avoid or don't do, and these can hurt your microbiomes. Refined carbs, sugar, and processed foods. Try to stay away from them. Cut back. Do whatever you need to do to get away from them. I know it's easier said than done, but it really affects your gut and your health. Bad sleep patterns or bad sleep routines. You really need to try to get on a routine with your sleep and get 7 to 8 hours, because our bacteria, those little bugs that are in our body, they have a sleep rhythm. They like to sleep too, and they get upset when they don't get enough sleep. Just like us, we get upset when we don't get enough sleep. We're tired, we're just not working properly throughout the day, and so that happens with them too. So they need to have that sleep rhythm as well. Antibiotics. Antibiotics, of course, is good if you are sick, but however, some people, I know some people, that they just take antibiotics after antibiotics after antibiotics, and it's actually killing the good bacteria. So what I would suggest is either, try to put some breaks into your antibiotics. If you're taking a lot, take a break, take a month off or something before you start another antibiotic, or actually start taking prebiotics or probiotics to help with the antibiotics. And the last one is stress. I know stress does affect our gut, because during that stress time we make some poor eating habits. So that would be another one that we try to avoid. So I'm going to read a little bit of quote about prebiotics and probiotics. Prebiotics, probiotics, and enzymes work synergistically to naturally support your body's digestive system, helping you support optimal digestive health every day. Prebiotics and probiotics help support the stomach and intestines with experiencing occasional digestive upset like diarrhea, gas, or bloating. So basically, when your gut is happy, then you are happy. And obviously, if your gut is unhappy, you will be unhappy. Question of the day. Let me know below. How many good bacteria are living in your gut? I said it a couple times and I'm going to give you a hint. It's a big number. Let me know below what you think, how many good bacteria are in our body. Alright, that is our topic for today. If you got great value, make sure you give it a thumbs up or hit that like button. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can always check out my skincare videos right here, or you can check out this video about are you wanting to change? Or just to remember to love your skin today, love your body this week, and love yourself always. Talk to you next week. Bye.